Here, ek wil Jeremia 29 vers 11 oor hierdie paartjie uitbid, my God, wat sê, ek weet die planne wat ek vir julle het. Planne van voorspoed, my God. Vers 12 sê, wanneer ek na U toe uitroep, my God, sal U my aanhoor. Ons kom roep uit vanmiddag, Here, dat U hierdie paartjie sal seën met hemelse seëning. Ek bid Deuteronomium 28 oor hulle, my God, wat sê, hulle ingang en hulle uitgang, waar hulle voete sal bevind, sal goddelik geseënd wees, Here. En dankie daarvoor, Jesus, dat U hulle bedien vandag, dat U hulle saamvoeg as 'n man en 'n vrou, Here.
Since I was young, coming up. Always marching to a drum, brought the thumb. Always focused on me, one. Now I wish that I could hold someone. So tell my mama I love her, call my baby sister, shoot a hug and kiss her, 'cause life is just a mystery and it's gone before you know it. So if you love me, won't you show it? 'Cause this life is one big symphony. This night is one for you and me. I'm the strings and you're the timpani. Constant tambourine. This life is one big symphony. So glad I got you next to me. I'm the chords and you're the melody. This life's one big symphony. She was the piano on the xylophone. You can have the trumpet on the saxophone. Life is skipping rope, keep going. Finding solace in the note, do. Had the struggle when I was broke, so low. Writing music just to cope, no hope. Yeah, life is just perspective. Laughing when you wrecked it, but smiling when you kept it together. You weathered the storm at the end of the play. You sang all the way. Doesn't matter how off key, if you did it, you win. This life is one big symphony. This night is one for you and me. I'm the strings and you're the timpani. You're my constant tambourine. This life is one big symphony. So glad I got you next to me. I'm the chords and you're the melody. This life's one big symphony. Would you care if I played you the flute? See, it's my favorite one, 'cause it's so delicate and beautiful. I pull out the trombone if it's more suitable. Wanna make you smile, it's been a little while since I've seen the white of your teeth. Been a hard year, lucky the guitar is here.
Liefie, ek is baie lief vir jou en ek is so trots op jou.
Can I see the world through your eyes? You can build your castle any way that you like.
My lief, ek sien uit om die res van my lewe saam met jou te spandeer en ek kon nie vir beter gevra het.
When you dance in the rain, your heart keeps.
Ek strewe en bid dat ek die man kan wees wat jy verdien. Ek is lief vir jou.
Oh, and paint your dreams on a snow-white canvas.
Bernie Colleen, ek wil graag hê julle moet vandag dit wat hier gebeur sien in terme van ek weet julle gaan baie braai in julle lewe. Daarom elke keer wanneer julle gaan braai, wil ek hê julle moet aan vandag dink wanneer julle as man en vrou bymekaar gekom het. God gebruik verskeie kere in die Bybel vuur om met mense te praat. Moses deur die brandende bos. Daar's betekenis in dit wat ek hier doen met julle. Wat beteken dit? Die fyn houtjies is die klein goedjies in die lewe wat julle twee aan mekaar gaan doen, wat die vuur in jou hart wat daar is, laat aan die brand bly vir mekaar. So daai fyn houtjies, daai klein goedjies, daai voete vryf, daai rugkrap, daai watertap in die bad, dit is daai klein goedjies wat gaan maak dat hierdie huwelik suksesvol sal wees. En ek weet dit sal wees.
Paint your dreams on a snow-white canvas. You know I will sing to you and hold you so close. And as your eyes fall softly, the sound of my voice. When love's a decision with you, there's no choice. I met your demons, but they do not scare me. I know they'll be angels once they learn to fly. I've seen all your seasons, your cold Februaries. I know you'll be blooming in a matter of time. What I'm saying is I get you, nothing we can't get through. If I see you going down that road, then I won't let you, I'll catch you. No matter how far you fall. Cause the best of me loves the best of you. And all the rest I can see right through. You trust in me and I'll trust you too. Cause the best of me loves the best of you. Dance with my shadow. You never run from a fight. Now I'll be your ally through all the battles. And I know it'll be alright. What I'm saying is you know me, wrestle with the old me. Save me at my lowest, all you had to do was hold me, console me. No matter how far I fall. Cause the best of me loves the best of you. And all the rest I can see right through. You trust in me and I trust you too. Cause the best of me loves the best of you.
Dankie dat jy nog altyd my verantwoordelike vriendin was, wat letterlik soos my ma en engel was. Partykeer het jy my toegelaat om foute te maak, al was ek hoe kwaad vir jou gewees, maar op die ou einde kan ek terugkyk en sê jy was nog altyd daar vir my gewees. Joopsie, jy is letterlik die luckieste ou ooit. Jy stap vanaand hier weg met my mooiste, slimste, amazingste en oulikste vriendin.
Cause the best of me loves the best of you.
Jimmy, ek dink daar is baie wat ek vir jou kan vertel vanaand. Jy het verskriklike baie goeie eienskappe. Een wat vir my regtig uitstaan is jou selfvertroue. En ek dink jy weet dit is waar jy 'n belangrike rol gaan speel. Jy weet jou teenwoordigheid en jou presence. En ek dink dit is een van die vele maniere hoe julle mekaar baie goed aanvoel. Mag Nikkie altyd by jou kan skerm en altyd kan veilig voel en altyd daar rustigheid kry. En ek wens vir julle 'n suksesvolle huwelik en 'n feesvolle huwelik toe.